I have some pretty rad news. I'm getting chickens today. Little buddy's outside. I haven't told him the news yet about getting chickens, and that's because he's not gonna be with me today. I gotta drop him off with his mother, but when he comes back to me in a few days, he'll get the surprise of seeing the chickens in person. Hi, Priscilla. No, you can't come in. No. Hey, what are you doing? Get down, it's my honey. Not for you. She's pretty talkative, huh?
Yeah.
What do you think of the garden, little buddy?
Pretty nice. A couple of my favorite foods, blueberries and tomatoes.
Oh, really? I didn't know tomato was your favorite.
I meant by cherry tomato.
Yeah, they're 2 cherry tomatoes.
I know.
So you're gonna help me eat the stuff?
Yeah, I'm gonna help you eat this stuff. Only the stuff I like, though.
What don't you like?
I don't like squash. I don't like zucchini. Well, not really.
Oh, so sad. They're so awesome.
For you, they might be. Our taste buds are different.
What's going on, Blue? What's up, dude? Come back. Willow. Come back, Willow. All right, in the greenhouse there, I have some parsley and basil sitting on the shelf.
Yum.
Can you go grab those and bring them out so they can spend a little time outdoors today?
I like basil.
All right, why don't you go hop in the truck and I'll be right there, okay? A little bit gross, but I have this old dog crate here that I'm gonna use to haul the chickens in. I'm only getting 6 chickens, so there's plenty of room in there for 6 chickens. In fact, they're pullets. They're about 8-9 weeks old at this point, so they're still little guys. No eating the little chickens, okay?
Why do you have the dog crate in the bed?
The dog crate? I am going on a little trip to get something, and it's going to go in the dog crate.
Let me guess, a dog.
No.
What?
But it is a little bit of a surprise, and you'll see when you come back to me in a few days. Sound good?
Okay, let me guess. Well, I know a sheep wouldn't be able to fit in there. I don't know. A squirrel.
It's not a squirrel. I got little buddy dropped off, and now I'm heading over to get the chickens. It's a couple-hour drive, or just shy of a couple hours, and I have to be there by noon to pick them up. So I didn't have time beforehand to get everything set up for the chickens. Yesterday we had the rainstorm. I really didn't know I was getting chickens until a couple days ago. So I need to fix up the chicken tractor, not the chickshaw, that's gonna come later, but the chicken tractor. I gotta get that fixed up. I need to get the waterers in place, and I need to get chicken feed. The idea of getting the chickens is pretty new. After getting the pigs and having to go out and do chores with the pigs, I thought, you know, it really wouldn't be that much more work to add a few chickens in here and get some eggs and get the benefits of the chickens to where they could actually be fertilizing the garden for me, cleaning up the bugs in the pasture. I was kind of turned off by the chickens for a while because they got out of control on my property. We had over 125 laying hens and some cockerels running around in there as well, plus all the meat birds, and it was just so much. It was way more than we needed. It was out of control. So I sat down, I did a little bit of thinking. How many chickens do I really need? I settled on the number 6. 6 seemed like I'll probably get 3, maybe 4 eggs a day, and that's about what I eat with little buddy. We eat about 3-ish eggs a day. The bag of chicken feed that I get is about a 40-pound bag, so 1/3 of a pound a day per chicken is about 20 days I get out of a bag of feed. I used to have to buy about 4 bags of feed a week. It was ridiculous. So now I'm only having to buy 1 bag every 3 weeks. Not so bad. I'm feeling really good about the idea of just getting the 6 chickens. It feels really manageable. It seems, compared to where I used to be, really small, but I'm not really concerned with that. I want to keep things reasonable. I want to keep it very manageable and affordable. Sure is pretty out here. Here they are. I got all the pullets in the dog carrier here. Time to get you ladies home. I nearly forgot, before I get the chickens in there, I need to get the chicken tractor fixed up a little bit. My nesting box gate thing here needs a little fixing, and the nesting box stands needs a fixing there. The people from whom I purchased the pullets said that they're actually almost 10 weeks old. Still gonna be several weeks before I'm gonna get any eggs. So I don't really need nesting boxes, but the nesting boxes are part of what closes the back of this tractor off. So I need the milk crates for that anyway. I got this chicken water all scrubbed out. It was pretty disgusting. It had been sitting stagnant for a long time. But I scrubbed it out with soap and apple cider vinegar, and now I have a little bit of apple cider vinegar mixed in with the water, a little hint of magic water. I couldn't find any of my feeders except for my big Lord Helmet feeder, and I'm not going to put that big honker in there. They've already been fed this morning by the previous owners, and there's so much grass and stuff in there for them to forage that I think they'll be fine for today. I'll probably have to go get a smaller feeder for tomorrow and get them some feed. But I'm just gonna get them their water now, and they should be good for today. So if you couldn't tell, those are Barred Rock chickens. They're pretty good layers, they're pretty chill chickens, and I think they'll fit in nicely here. So there you go. The grass-fed homestead has chickens again. Little buddy is back with me now, but Someone may have slipped mentioning having chickens in front of him. I haven't really told him, so he's not certain, but he's a little suspicious. But let's go break the news. What do you see over there?
Chickens!
What do you think?
They're good. Are they, what kind of gender are they?
Gender?
Yeah.
Female.
Good. I love female chickens.
Do you know what breed they are?
No.
Barred Rocks.
Barred Rock. That's a nice name.
So you like them?
Yeah. Still not the same as that red star and the other chickens.
Yeah. Yep, we had cool chickens, but these ladies will be cool too.
Yeah. Can't believe you have chickens now.